Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Wi-Fi which keeps on disconnecting in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. So here at the settings, proceed to the system, which you can see at the left side of your screen next to home. Click on it. The moment you click on it, under the System tab, you need to scroll down and go with Troubleshoot. Click on it, and it has this three options. Go with the third one, which is Other Troubleshooters. Here you need to go with Network and Internet, and you need to run the troubleshooters. Simply click on Run, and it will run the troubleshooters for you, and it will fix your problem. Okay? So just have to complete the procedure and complete the process. Once done, you need to close such window and restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? And the next method that I could show you is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for CMD to search for command prompt. Okay? Wait for the best match to appear once you've typed it and go with run as administrator here. Okay, so click on it once it appears, and the moment you click on that, user account control will ask you to say yes. Proceed to yes so that you would be redirected here in this window. Here you need to paste a command, which is this. Okay, just paste this one by one and proceed to this one, which is this. Okay, don't worry because I'll be pasting this at the description box below. So once it says here successfully reset the Winsa catalog, proceed to the flash DNS. So we need to flush the DNS. Control C. Once done, type exit, click enter, and you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, I'm sure your problem will be fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's move on to our last step, which is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up, and go with settings. Here at the settings, you need to go with network and internet, which you can see at the left side of your screen next to Bluetooth and devices. And scroll down and go with advanced network settings. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see advanced network settings options. Proceed to the network and reset, which is under more settings. And aligning the network and reset, you can see there a button which is reset now. Click on it and it will reinstall all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. Just have to complete the process and put a lot of patience with this and restart your computer, and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.